Good day, everyone. Welcome back. Open up on your spelling for this week. Please make sure that you practice your spelling. So, for Wednesday's English, let's see what we have to do for today. We are still looking at adverbs, and we've said that an adverb is a word that describes our actions. Okay, so it tells us how or when something has happened. Okay, so for this part of the activity, year one, all you have to do is first circle the adverb that describes the verb. Okay, for instance, number one, my grandpa snored loudly. So the verb is snored. That means that your adverb is loudly. So you circle the adverb that best describes the verb. Okay? Once you're done with that, you write the number of the sentence that matches each picture. Okay, so number one was my grandpa snored loudly. Okay, now for that, it might mean that this is your answer. So if you choose that this is number one, you'll write number one there. Number two, Chloe played on the beach yesterday. Okay? Your verb is played. When did she play? That's your adverb. George, will you come here? For my sheepdog sat lazily in the pool. 5. I will visit my friend tomorrow. 6. Neil slowly placed a card on the card house. Okay, that is all you have to do for your English. Moving on to your maths. This just means that you need to get your maths out for today. So, for today's maths, you also practice the days of the week. Make sure that you're writing them with capital letters. Then let's look at Wednesday's maths. So what you have to do here is add the missing number. 7 plus something gives you 10. Okay, you already know how to do that. Then we work with minus 5 minus something equals 3. Do all these sums up until the end. Okay, then we move on to our science. So get your science out. So for Wednesday's science, we are looking at some more facts about the cormorant, which is a bird. Okay, these birds are fish eaters and they catch their prey by diving into the water for up to 45 meters deep. Okay, they have dark feathers, and a thin hooked bill. Okay, then we've also got some facts about the seagull, and most seagulls are carnivores. That means that they eat meat. They live on crabs and small fish. Okay, so you want to read these facts to yourself and color the picture. Then we've got some facts about the pelican. They are large birds with a long beak and a large throat pouch. Okay, this is the throat pouch over there. They feed mainly on fish. Okay, so color this picture in and then you can practice reading the facts to yourself. That is it for today.